This car is very different. A new generation of design. Because it is all electric. All the rules are different. It is everything that Lynk Co stands for. My name is Stefan Rosen and I'm the head of Lynk Co Design. And right now we're sitting in the most secret of places, the clay studio of Lynk Co. Right here in the center of Gothenberg, Sweden. The inspiration for us creating the 02 of course came as an evolution from our first car, the 01. The main challenge when you do a compact full electric car is the proportion. And that was really the challenge, creating that sleek profile and still maintain this big interior space that we actually have done with this car. The Lynk Co 02 has the new generation form language that we have introduced at Lynk Co. It has a very clean, almost sculptural body combined with some really high-tech features. So the overall shape of the car is quite calm in terms of features, but we have these very high-tech, very fine details, including the lights front and rear. And that is really unique to Lynk Co as a brand. When we set out to do the interior of the car, it was very important for us to have the right materials. The interior has been designed to feel as vast and as big as possible. So first of all, you will see that we have a very wide-looking instrument panel to really stretches every line all the way to the windows. And it's also sitting on top of a more generous shape in order to sort of slim it down and stretch out the width. It gives a very comfortable, home-like feeling when you enter this car. It's also important for us to have a sustainable character to the car. So we actually have quite a lot of parts and materials which is 100% recyclables, including the headliner. There are a number of interesting features in the interior of this car. First, we have a very functional, a very practical tunnel console, which you can configure basically the way you would like it. The other thing, which I think is really maybe the most striking feature, is what we call the infinity light. This is something you will notice immediately when you get into the car. It's a light feature that stretches from side to side that looks like it goes into the car, almost like infinite. And it's more than just a decoration, it actually has function as well. So it helps to communicate with you when you're driving. So it really is a spectacular feature. When you sit inside this car, you will see a strap. It's a unique feature into this car. It's labeled with what we call an Interobang. It's actually a combination of a question mark and an exclamation mark. And you can pull this strap and there's a hidden feature that you have to discover yourself. What's right in front of you is the steering wheel. This we put some special attention to. So we actually designed it to feel a little bit like a game console, but it's dressed with beautiful material and the execution has been made very premium. The design features I think will get people most excited is that first impression when you walk up the car and you see this welcoming light show. But of course also the very roomy feeling you have inside this car, also accentuated by this panoramic sunroof. But my personal favorite, I would say, is the roof profile, which ends in a spoiler that also is the tail lamp. I hope the 02 puts a big smile on your face, because it is really something new. I really implore you to go and check it out, because it is really a true, unique product. It is everything that Lynk Co stands for.